What you got? What are you doing?
I didn't want to pay Yamaha $800 for like the door speaker pods on my Rmax, so I designed this, and I think I'm about $160 in. Not gonna lie to you, so the OEM door speakers are 6.5s, right? So the pods mount behind the door panel, and they protrude right through here. I was like, oh, I can probably figure out how to mount something in this hole, right? Well, the issue is 6.5s fit, and then obviously the screws mount inside the speaker. So my issue was I couldn't figure out how to mount it. So my first, kicker, they give you this template. So I used this template that comes with it to design this. And I was like, oh, I'll just, put holes through this, right? May not look too good, but it'll at least support the speaker back here. But the issue is all the way they designed the door, there's no way to flush mount this. It was just, wasn't good. So what I ended up doing was, if you have like a base model or a, whatever the other trim that doesn't have speakers in it, and obviously you're watching this video, they have these little filler pods that clip in here. They're actually secured in there very well. So I actually ended up taking this out, and unfortunately, it's already installed. I don't play breaking apart, but so as you can tell, this is the original filler for the door speaker pod. I used this template, and I traced it out, put it on there, and you get enough room for all the clips to work and enough for the speaker to fill the hole. So you get everything in here. Like I said, pretty much drill the holes, cut out the middle of it. Everything comes in. I have a boom mat just to kind of help vibration and sound, but other than that, that's the way it'll look. And if you want, I can show you how it clips in there. I built everything on the bench, where all you gotta do is feed it through. And then when you do clip these in, just FYI, there's somewhere here. There's one big fat one, and that's just to let you know that's the top. So then all you do is you come in here, feed it in there, get the top one hooked, and then you kind of just
Gorilla it, son.
Oh, there's one.
Dude, you weren't kidding when you said those were solid clips.
Yeah, there's one more over here I'm missing right. Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, and that's everything in there. So
Shoo.
What I'll do, I did on the other one, is put some washers back here. I actually have big fat ones. So
I like how you turned my socket top into a
I know, right?
workbench.
There's obviously enough shit over here.
Yeah.
If you get some big fat washers like this, and you put them on there, like so, once you tighten them down, they actually catch the lip of the panel, to where even if for any reason this panel does pop out, the washers all the way around are going to hold it from falling all the way out.
Nice.
So, I'll show you how it looks installed over here if you want.
Always working in the dark.
So, Yamaha Rmax.
You're just gonna. It's so dirty.
It's so dirty, I know. But that's what I had all before, was some sound bar. People in the backseat were complaining that when you have the music up loud and you're riding on the trail, that's just blaring right in your ear.
Battery's dying over there.
I can see it. I wanted something that could equalize the volume front and back, and this is how it turned out on this side. So I think it turned out very well.
I'll put this to music.
Mine, like I said, I went with kickers. So these are like their marine grade LED speakers. So like the center
They
of
have
the
lights?
Yes.
Do they work yet?
I haven't finished wiring up. But
Oh, dude, I have to get that on video before we submit.
The ones I ended up buying, they're full LED. Obviously, LEDs all over this thing. So there's a center LED, and I bought these LED rings. Hindsight 2020, probably shouldn't have done that, because it makes the speaker stick out, good half an inch, 5/8 of an inch. So that's actually, if you're a bigger guy like me, that'll probably hit your leg. So if you just do just the speaker, it'll recess down in here, and you won't have an issue. But
Do they have those on Amazon?
yeah. I think, like I said, I think all in all for everything, this is the speakers, the little LED rings, well, obviously all of this, I haven't finished wiring it, but you can see the shit show that is the wiring up here. But everything, like I said, the sound bar has its own amplifier, but this is the amplifier I got. It's just a 2-channel MB Court. Like I said, it's mounted right there. It's good. Get your adjustments right here. But like I said, it's just a 2-channel 400 watt. It was on Amazon. So like I said, we'll show you once everything's done wired up, but I think it's gonna be real nice.
What's going on over there?
What?
What's on that bench?
That is, well, that one's ready to go back on now.
While we're out here looking at your little Yamaha, you want to look at this light bar mount?
Oh yeah. This custom fabbed by Brian Spalding himself. Probably one of like 4 things he's actually ever done that's turned out really nice.
Oh, that's a little extreme, but yeah.
Start to finish, turned out really nice.
Quickly.
Yes.
Yeah. But yeah, what does this do? How much is the roof that actually has a light bar?
If you buy the roof from Yamaha, I think they're all of a sudden they're gonna be like $1,000 in it for like the light bar that they want. That will custom mount right up here up under this lip. This one was just your standard $80 eBay purchase, and had some sheet metal laying around. Yeah, so it's
heck yeah, dude.
less than $100, you know, hardware, light bar, and everything.
Hey, hit it. Let's see how bright it is.
Oof. So
Pretty bright. Okay.
Really lights up the trails. So there's that one. Trying to think what else. Interior lights. Obviously, like I said, this was a base model when I bought it, and so I didn't have any of the options. I added these little LED interior lights. These were like literally like $10.
Oh, so you got your beer in the back.
What? Yeah, dude. So I mean, realistically, like I said, I've done everything to this since I bought it. When I bought it, it was just a stock unit. So I put these interior lights in. I bought this Bazooka soundbar initially. It was alright. I wanted a little more bass, so I added this Kicker 8-inch subwoofer. It's completely powered by itself. So, like I said, that one just kind of mounted over. I had these gun racks laying around, so I kind of made that work. Had those. What else? I added all these footwell lights. So when you're riding at 2 a.m. and you're getting in and out, it's real nice. Those lights are also tied into these grill lights.
Oh, okay.
Which, like I said, all of the footwell lights are going to be blue because those white ones are shorting out when you put them underwater.
Okay.
So everything's going to blue. Trying to think if there's anything else I added.
I don't think so.
All right, that's about it. So, yeah.
All right, we'll come back, check in whenever you got your speakers lit up and functioning.
Yep.
All right, dude. How's she look? Wowzers, dude.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Turned out pretty fucking awesome, if you ask me.
They look pretty fancy.
I know.
Nice and green to go with your blue.
Well, I haven't finished the rest of it. Like I said, I'm waiting on the little controller box for it, but
I like it.
yeah,
Heck yeah, dude.
Turned out pretty well.
Good work. Good work.